welcome back to the channel. Today, just an update on friend's lawn. Over the last week or so, we've been trying to level it, but it is rock hard. I mean, it is rock hard. My tiller having trouble with it, and I found easy way to do it is with the scarifier, which I don't recommend, but it has worked. Plus, my DIY shifter has done quite well. Shifts it quite well, and that's what we've done today so far. It's not too bad. Now, the other stuff we've done the other day was Saturday, I think it was. Today's the 19th of September. This is a little bit better. And what we're doing is we're removing all the crap. As you can see here. We got a bag. I've got rid of 26 bags went this morning. Yeah, 26 bags went this morning. And we've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. Another pile there. Shift that. I've got to do a shift in there. I've got to go over any edges to level all up, and I've got to do all down through here. Get that a bit more level. But friend's son done all the brickwork the other day, and we extended that a little bit. So it was a lot better. We got a few tree roots coming through from the old fir tree there, but you can't go down any further than that because that's underneath this is the old lawn. It was soil was chucked on top, so I can't go back down any much further than I have. Otherwise, I'm gonna bring up the old lawn, which not very good. So we've got to shift all this, chuck it through the real shifter. I'll set that up a minute, and then you can see me do that a bit, and then we'll do a bit of that, and then I'll show you how to do that. I'll get my friend's road camera and watch me do a bit of shifting, and then that'll be the end of the video until I seed or maybe lay some turf, I don't know yet. Right, you have that. Make sure you watch me if you're there.
Yes, I know.
This wire mesh is about 5mm, I think it is, 5 to 7mm. It's about 12 quid for 2 foot by 2 meters, I think it was, B&Q. Better job than the other one. So basically, And then this is what we're getting out. It's not perfect, but it's better than anything, better than what we had. So I'll do a couple more shovels. Get very dusty doing it, but hey. It's the best way we found, isn't it, so far? Oops, what have we done? Oh, broke a bit again. So we just chuck it on the floor there, and then we'll shovel it up. Shovel it up. We've got a pile to chuck it in there. So that's what we're doing so far. I've got to go around the edges, get a bit more level, and then do the sides. And then basically bag this up. Somebody picked up 22 bags earlier. They were filling the hoe in a golf course. Don't know why they wanted that, but hey, they picked it up. So a few more piles to go through, and then probably get my leveler out so I can level some. But that's the update now until probably I either seed it or I've ripped my grass up, my lawn at my place, and lay it here. Don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'll update you. Subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment down below. See what you want to see next. See if you want me to see me get hire a turf cutter and rip my lawn up and lay it here. Let me know below. If I get 100 likes, I'll do it. Alright, cheers. See you all in the next one. Chill out.